Montgomery County Public Schools now also on a 2-hour delay this morning. And while parents tell us they are relieved that class is back in session, many people are making it clear they want things done differently next time. Let's go straight out live to reporter John Gonzalez with our team coverage of what county officials are saying and what comes next here. John, good morning.
Adam, good morning to you. And this week, Montgomery County leaders have heard from residents loud and clear, frustrated over all the snow and ice still on roads and sidewalks. And during the Montgomery County Council hearing yesterday here in Rockville, the focus was on the dangerous conditions and the lack of resources during the storm and the slow response times. County officials are now apologizing. Residents say the ice, the snow, and snowcrete, I swear that's going to become the word of the year, made this storm very unusual, creating safety risks. County Executive Mark Elridge acknowledges the issue, saying the county's plow tracker incorrectly reported residential streets as cleared when they weren't. Equipment failures and multiple water main breaks have also slowed progress. Looking forward, Councilmember Will Jawando says feedback from residents will help improve operations and planning for the next major storm. Here's the CAO at the hearing.
Apologies to all of our residents who felt let down, misinformed by what happened during the storm. Just like the water system, where cold weather can reveal a crack, which leads to a leak and a broken pipe, this certainly led to some surprising outcomes, and systems that we thought were working did not work as planned. The snow tracker, some of the transfer of information from 311 to the Department of Transportation.
County leaders say since the storm cleanup is still underway, they don't have all the answers just yet. The county executive is pressing administrators to get to the bottom of what went wrong and to ensure the same mistakes aren't made the next time. We understand that an after-action report is expected here in the county in the coming days. Reporting live in Rockville, John Gonzalez, 7 News.
Well, let's hope that they can get to that report and perhaps solve these issues ahead of the next storm, which we all know could be right around the corner. John, thank you.